So today I'm going to be finally getting my wheels fixed. A little bit of a backstory. When I first bought these wheels, they are just ESR wheels. I bought them and they came in the all hyper silver color that you see on the barrel right now. And I work at a detail shop just right over there, well I used to, and we had acidic wheel acid and non-acidic wheel acid. And I decided, or I was using one of them and I thought it was non-acidic, but it turns out it was actually acidic and kind of killed it took off the clear coat on like all my wheels. Here, I'll show you here in a second. But if you look at the barrel, this isn't like dirty, like some of it might be, but that's the clear coat is just, it ruined the whole entire clear coat around the whole barrel. So what I did to protect it in the meantime is I plasti dipped the whole barrel black. I plasti dipped the spokes black, everything black. And I planned on getting it fixed, so I started peeling off the plasti dip not that long ago. And I peeled off the barrels, and then I realized I wasn't able to get it fixed just then. So I decided to go with the chrome lip and then the black spokes, just to kind of see how it looks. But I'm ready to go back to all hyper silver. I really miss that color. So today I'm going to be taking off these wheels and tires and putting on different ones. And then I'm going to send these off to go get them fixed. So we're going to do that today. And yes, this is my coworker's Civic Type-R. I work at Honda, so one of the coworkers here bought this before it even arrived. Just give you guys a quick walk around. If you guys want to see videos on this, I do have a couple on my channel, so go check those out. I have a video of us racing actually, and this car was actually our film car, but both of us raced. I know it's kind of bad footage, but you can still kind of get an idea of the how fast the Civic Type-R actually is. I love the carbon fiber everything. Carbon fiber lip, and it's actual carbon fiber too, it's not fake. And then the vents that are all over the place. It's just a really nice looking car. While my wheels are getting fixed, these are what we're going to be putting on them. This is pretty much how it's going to sit for a week until I get back from Colorado. So I guess I'm going to end this for now, and I'll continue this in a week or so. All right, I'm finally back from Colorado. I apologize, my voice is gonna be really rough. I'm actually really sick right now, but I needed to get my wheels back on so that I could at least drive it for now. So that's what I'm gonna do today, but I'm finally back from Colorado. And as you can tell, it really needs a bath. My car looks neglected out here.